fam, we are back home. We just had the Evo 10 out. I took it out last night, drove around a little bit, enjoyed the car before we changed out that setup. Today is all about the abandoned Evo 10. Last night, me and my brother Austin figured out the wiring issue, and I know in the comment section on that video, some people were kind of confused as to what exactly was going on. So let's dive into the shop and let me show you what exactly was causing that issue. All right, so you see those two wires right here, black with a gray stripe. Simply put, those are flipped around. One of the wires runs from the ABS pump, which is right there, all the way to the yaw sensor, and it's how the yaw sensor grounds out is through the ABS pump. And these two wires are flipped around. So the yaw sensor wire, which is this one right here, is supposed to be connected to this wire. So as of right now, this wire runs all the way through this harness, comes up through here, and is actually connected to the headlight. That's how it is right now. All we have to do is flip those two wires around and that'll completely fix the ABS system. I apologize for not explaining that yesterday. I know I said it was just a grounding out issue, which it is, but it's not like an actual ground on a car. The ABS pump is grounding out the yaw sensor through the ABS pump. For some reason, I never checked continuity on that wire, on the actual ground wire for the yaw sensor. I never checked that for whatever reason, and I know I should have, but hey, you live and you learn. I learned a ton of stuff about electronics and electrical stuff on this car, so I'm kind of glad it happened. But yeah, I hope that clears the air. It wasn't like an actual bolted on ground on the chassis somewhere that we missed. It was simply put, whoever repaired this wiring harness on this car flipped two wires around. I can see exactly why they did it, because they're the same exact color wire. Super simple and honest mistake that anyone in the world could have made. We just got the harness completely repaired. It's all good to go now. I just made sure, again, we still have zero codes with the ABS system or the ASC system. So we got to move on to finishing up the engine bay, and we have a ton of stuff in the interior to throw back together as well. We just got the interior of the car completely back together. Turned out absolutely amazing. Super nice and clean with the leather seats. These seats are actually factory in this car. When we were going through all the diagnostic stuff with the ABS system, we checked the VIN number of the seats. The OCM is actually VIN, and it was the original VIN. I don't know exactly what Evos came with the leather seats, but it's pretty dope knowing that these are factory to the car. Now that we got the interior all back together, I think it's time to throw on a fresh set of wheels. These are a set of NK wheels. These were originally on Cameron's WRX, the car we just put back to stock. The specs of these wheels are 18 by 9.5 plus 15, and we're running a 255 35 18-inch Maxxis tire. We just got these tires put on. Before there was a 235 40, and we decided to go a little bit wider, a little bit thinner for the Evo 10. So let's get this car jacked up in the air, get these wheels off. These I want to kind of hang on to because they're the original wheels for this car. And I think those wheels are going to look absolutely amazing on the white. So it'll be just a super nice and clean build. Black roof, tinted windows. It's already lowered a little bit. Some nice black wheels. The 2015 taillights. And then the blacked out housing headlights. Should look really nice. We just got the first wheel on. This is a pretty similar spec to those set of wheels. These are 9.5 wide, those are 10.5, but these are I think these are plus 15, and those are plus 20. Those probably poke out, I don't know, I'd have to do the math, maybe like 5 or 10 millimeters more, but this is a perfect fitment. That looks so damn good with the red lug nuts as well. Damn. All right, let's get the rest of the wheel swapped out and we can pull this thing outside and see how she looks. of the Evo 10s look so damn amazing. Completely different styles of cars. The Raptor one is just crazily aggressive, and the abandoned one is just a super nice, simple, clean build. They both look good. Obviously, I like the Raptor Evo 10 a million times more, but it's gonna be really nice just driving a nice, clean car and not really worrying about destroying panels on the car, or I don't know. It's soft, it's quiet, it's clean and simple. This one is loud, it's aggressive, it's fast as hell. We have expensive parts on it that I'm always worried about destroying, so it'll be nice to change it up for a little bit. I think next up with this car is we just gotta finish cleaning it all up. The windshield is cracked on it, some of the tint is peeling, so we're gonna have to change all that out. I really want to go drive this car, but it's still not registered in my name, so I'll probably go do that later today or tomorrow, and then we gotta put insurance on it as well. So with that being said, not much else we can do today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think of the new wheels on the Evo 10. I think they look absolutely amazing. I'll have them linked down below, and I'll have the tires linked down below, as well as the lug nuts we just installed as well. So it turned out absolutely amazing, I think. Let me know your opinion down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.